Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Eufy motion sensor. So it does come with a 2-year battery that can last up to 2 years. But first thing, let's take a look at the actual motion sensor. Take the plastic off first. That's going to be the motion sensor. It does come with this little mount, so we can snap it in, all right, and then you can position it wherever you would like. It does come with 2-sided tape, so I could put the 2-sided tape there and then tape it, stick it to anywhere I would like. It also comes with screws. It comes with 2 screws, or actually 3, but you only need 2 screws to mount the actual mount. Now you don't have to, you could set it on something like that, but it does have a little blue light. Let's install the battery. Open it up. Now the battery does come with some plastic on it, so make sure and remove this clear plastic. So the battery that comes with it is a CR123A. It's a 3-volt battery. Now there's like a flat side here. Put that towards the spring. And then let's put the case on. Now there's a code here. You're going to scan that with your phone during the setup process. Let's just take a quick measurement real quick of everything. 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. Oh, about 3/4 of an inch thick. Let's put the actual mount on. And with the mount on, about 1.5 inches sticks out from the wall. Again, I could point that down. I could even point it down even more, or up, left, right. This is a really, really nice mount. So on the bottom, there's also a sync button. You're gonna be pressing that sync button during setup. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.